Hello. My name is Say.
My name's Brandon.
And we're just gonna go on a scavenger hunt on the ground. So, okay, I'll go first. Hey, look, it's a shoe. Friend, it's your turn to pick up something.
Plunger. It's a plunger.
It's a plunger. Wow. What should we do? Maybe later. Maybe later. Let's put it. Let's put it in the toilet. My. No, it's your turn, Brandon.
What's up? Skateboard.
Show it up. It's a tech deck. Wow. It's my turn. Oh, sweet! I found my licorice that I had 50 years ago. It's pretty good. Yeah.